Hey everybody, this is December 21st. Here's some of the trades of the day. First and foremost, we had SPY up and we had a money line right there, pre-market. It went from, money line to a money line. So we knew there was a little confirmation here after we touched. So what's it going to do? It's probably going to wash down to the other money line. Additionally, if you did take some contracts here, right, maybe some 472s, maybe some 473s in the money, took some opportunity. This was hella premium spike. You get super wash candles like that, the premium goes crazy. So, somebody could have took some contracts, saved a couple, maybe for that as the ultimate goal. And also like, look at this. It never even came back. If you took contracts here, you were never in danger, even with all the screwing around, right? You were never in danger. You never lost anything. So, take some premium, keep a couple contracts, write it down for the ultimate target. That would have been nice. I wasn't trading SPY at the time, but that's what you should be looking at if you're going to trade SPY like this. Ultimately, you come down here to money lines, and you can see this right here. This is important, and the reason why is because it shows why it's important if you're going to trade SPY. You have to trade the Qs. Okay, you can't just trade SPY and not look at Qs. They're two in sync. They're two in correlation. So I'll show you that chart next, and I'll show you why. Okay, so nice little suck up here. Where's SPY going to go back to? Money line, right? There it is. Nice. If somebody played that today, it's half a point. It's not running crazy stuff like Teslas and Nvidias, but it's fine. It's still good. You could still make that play on equity or options, especially if you get these washes. These washes pay up. They pay up huge. So there was your SPY trade. Qs. Now, if I put these next to each other, you'd see what I'm talking about. So Qs, look, money line rejection. You get a confirmation of it right away in the morning. So somebody could have took some Qs short and you could have held them. Look, you were never in trouble, right? Look at this. You're never in trouble. Why would you look, mess around, can't do nothing, and then a nice wash, pay yourself on the wash down here, of course. You could save some for your ultimate goal, which would be way over here, right? Money line. But if you see what happened here, you can see how SPY correlated with it exactly. You can see the exact same formation there that SPY did. Here and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so this looks like what the hell, right? Well, the what the hell is right there. There's your correlation. It hit the money line. So this was a great trade if somebody was looking at it because you went into two money lines on SPY and Q, right? And then you had a touch. Boom, first touch. It was a great trade. Somebody should have been in on that. It wasn't me. I was already shutting my broker down. So yeah, great trade right back to money line for SPY and Qs there. Let's take a look at AMD. Yes, what happened here? Oh, I was watching this one. I was watching it mess around. You're watching it get sucked up a little bit. This wasn't a rejection. Okay, so you don't see a clear rejection here or that it got pushed down. That's a buyer's candle. So it actually showed strength on that candle. And then you kept a higher low. Right? So there you go. There's your higher low. And it's not much, but it's enough for institutional investors to get involved and say, boom, let's make this trade. And what you saw happen was basically a bull run. And ultimately, it should have been like a bull flag. And so then you're sitting up here, you're catching this bull flag. And then ultimately, it's messing around off the money line. And, if you did a measured move here on this bull flag, probably something like this, right? Ultimately, it should run up to somewhere over here tomorrow. That's probably to the dot, I suppose. So, tomorrow maybe it runs right to there, right? That makes sense. 141.10. Could see all-time highs on AMD. Maybe. Oh, nope, never mind. Just another run. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Let's do the Tesla trade. The Tesla do today. Well, this one was nice as the money lines worked perfectly for this. Look, you get over the money line, you come back down to confirm the money line. Here is your nice buying candle going up. Where is it going to go? Like it has to rest a little. Fine. You take the rest, get in because you know it's coming here. I got in on that trade. Came back down. I wasn't in this trade. You could have took this trade because it's still first touch, right? I just wasn't fast enough, but I was on the way up. And right back down. So a person could have caught this right back down to money line. And that was pretty significant. Move easy, 0.68. You could have bought TSLS. That's an inversion. You could have bought, but either one would have paid really well, really fast. So then you don't go down, you get sucked up actually, and ultimately it makes another run. I was watching that. I actually got in on this trade and I watched it ding and instantly get rejected here. That was shitty because it went down very quickly. But no big deal. I still made out on that one just fine. And then you lose it. Where does it go? Automatically to the money line. Boom. Perfect. This could have been your trade. I did get in on this one. I want to say I got out on this push right here, maybe. Just because I was getting done for the day, really. Easy 1.27%. That you never were in trouble. You were never in trouble of all this nonsense. You should have kept riding it with options or equity. You never even came back to confirm. You just rode. Stay in the trade. Take the trade. Okay, NVIDIA. So I made this trade last night, actually, where we saw that big dump, blah, blah, blah. I think it was really in correlation for VU paying dividends, but right here I got in on equity, or excuse me, contracts. 482.5 contracts is what I bought. And this morning I sold right here. I did 100% on those contracts. And they were nice. Yeah, I wasn't even expecting necessarily for it to go over. I was selling right here, and then I had one contract left, and it was like up here. So maybe that was me. I don't know, but that's where it went right there. That one. It didn't mess around with it too much after that. Yeah, this one could have fooled you a little bit, I suppose, but ultimately you wouldn't have been in this. You actually go down underneath. Now, what do? We come back up the money line. We confirm weakness, which you see that happening there, right? Or excuse me, you get your weakness, then you confirm the weakness, you get your double top, and we're going to go down, right? Now, maybe it didn't go down a money line, but look, this is the third time. And I wasn't involved in that either. This is probably from the SPY and Qs. And what do? Right back to money. Right now we're above it. See what happens tomorrow. All right, let's see. Microsoft, let's see what happened with Softy today. Okay, instant suck up in the morning. Where are you going to go? Stay in the trade. You're not in trouble. You're not in trouble. Boom, get out, right? These are some easy morning trades. You can get in, get out. Nobody's going to show you this. Nobody else trades like this. All right, so you have your rejection. You could have been on this short. Could have gone on this long, out. Could have gone on this short, out. Now, who cares? You already made money. You should have already made money, right? All right, so it falls through a money line. Usually it comes back up. So don't freak out, even if you were in a trade awkwardly at that time, because you could add in and get it back out, do well. So what happens? Comes back up, hits money line again, rejection, all the way down to this money line, screwing around. gonna say maybe an inverse head and shoulders, but it's just messing around, right? Boom, boom. And it's ready to rock and roll. Right. And Microsoft was really strong the other day, so I'm not too surprised on that one. I won't waste much time with gold here. We'll just mention it. Yeah, gold bouncing between a couple money lines. If anybody's trading that, gold's strong right now. Market's strong, gold's strong. Recession, gold doesn't do as well. Pay attention to that. Dollar is up, gold doesn't do well. And that's it for that. Hope you all traded well. Catch you tomorrow.